Deadpool and Wolverine keyboard accessories. First up, desk mats. Really nice quality with the Deadpool logo and some action going on between those two. The next one is more my vibe. We have Deadpool in the classic hero pose and with a red keyboard, it's a perfect match. Now, for the highlight of the collab, keycap sets. The Deadpool set is really cool and really easy to match with any keyboard. And yes, Dogpool is one of them. Wolverine though, this one is stunning and the detail is insane. Definitely harder to match, but a beautiful set. Similarly has a bunch of novelties. So, are you team Deadpool or Wolverine?